Alright everyone, welcome back to Crypto Brain. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe, because here we focus purely on structured analysis, market behavior and smart money positioning, rather than emotional hype. And if you want to stay ahead of major crypto moves, you are exactly where you need to be. Now today's breakdown is extremely important, because what we are about to analyze is not just a random setup. This is a developing structure that is showing early signs of a potential strong move. And if you understand this early, you stay ahead of the majority. Let's start with Toshi. Right from the beginning, what stands out immediately is the way price is behaving. This is not random movement. This is controlled structure. The market is holding levels. There is no panic, no aggressive breakdown, and more importantly, there is clear stability. Now look closely at how price reacts on every dip. Instead of continuing downward, it gets absorbed, buyers step in and price stabilizes quickly. And this is a very important signal, because this behavior is typically associated with accumulation. Now as we move forward, something even more important starts to appear. Higher lows. Every pullback is weaker, and every recovery is stronger, which clearly tells us that buyers are gaining control gradually and sellers are losing dominance. This is not retail behavior. This is smart money positioning happening quietly in the background. And this is exactly the phase where most traders miss the opportunity, because nothing looks explosive yet. But in reality, the foundation of a bigger move is already being built. Now this is where things get more interesting. Let's bring in the comparison, Toshi versus SPX6900. Now, when you compare both structures, the difference becomes very clear. Toshi is still in its early structured phase, building base, forming higher lows, preparing for expansion. While SPX6900, on the other hand, is already showing a more advanced behavior, stronger movement, clearer momentum, and a more developed trend structure. And this comparison is extremely important because in markets, weaker assets often follow the stronger ones, and stronger assets often give early confirmation of broader moves. So what we are essentially seeing here is a relationship, Toshi building structure, while SPX6900 is already moving with strength. And this is where smart analysis connects the dots. Now let's move towards SPX6900 for final confirmation. As we shift focus, notice how price behaves near resistance. Instead of getting rejected aggressively, it holds near the level. This is called pressure building. And when pressure builds, breakout probability increases significantly. Eventually, price starts breaking above resistance, but more importantly, it sustains above it. And this is the key moment, because when resistance turns into support, the market transitions from accumulation into expansion. And this is the confirmation we were looking for. Now, connecting everything together. Toshi is building structure, SPX6900 is showing strength, and the market is aligning. This is not random movement, this is a developing trend. Now the next question is, what comes next? Markets move towards liquidity, and once confirmation is established, price naturally seeks higher levels where orders are placed. But remember, markets do not move in straight lines. There will be pullbacks, consolidations, and pauses, and these are not signs of weakness. These are continuation behavior. As long as structure holds, the direction remains bullish. Now, from an opportunity perspective, this is where clarity comes in. The best opportunities are never during hype. They are during confirmation phases like this, where the move has started, but the majority is still uncertain. And right now, this is exactly that phase. Structure is building, momentum is forming, confirmation is appearing. But always remember, confirmation is everything. Do not blindly follow price, observe it, watch reactions at key levels, monitor continuation strength, because real trends sustain, while weak moves fade quickly. At this stage, what we are seeing is not noise. It is a structured market preparing for expansion. And the traders who understand this early are the ones who position themselves correctly. So stay analytical, stay disciplined, and stay patient. Because if this structure continues to develop with strength, the move ahead could be significantly bigger than what most people are currently expecting. Thank you for watching, and make sure you stay connected with Crypto Brain for more high-level market analysis. Yes,